Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my Thanksgiving plate, or what I would serve if I was celebrating Thanksgiving. You probably know that I live in India and we don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but I have some family in the US and two of my sister-in-laws or co-sisters are Americans. So sometimes we do celebrate Thanksgiving with them. Sometimes they visit us in India, and there was one year when we did the Thanksgiving dinner in India, which was great fun because it was great fun planning and everything. Today I just have a few ideas that I put together to share with you guys. So I'm going to show you how I make my roast chicken, the Indian style in this recipe, and also some of the sides, so you get to see what I made, and the recipes have already been shared. So make sure you go and watch those recipes because they are linked in the description as well as on the screen, and there's a lot more information in the description section, so check that out. Let's go ahead and see what I did. So let's make the spice blend first. So this is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon of a mild chili powder which gives only color, and 2 teaspoon of a strong chili powder. Of course you can leave it out if you don't like spicy food. 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, you can put more of it if you like, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and this is some dried methi leaves or Kasturi Methi. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and we are going to mix all of this together. Oil is going to hold the masala together, and this masala is good for a chicken that is about 1 kg and 300 grams or 400 grams, which is what my chicken is. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and there's a notification bell right next to it. You need to click that on all notifications to be notified every time that I add a new recipe, and hopefully you will try this variation of a roast chicken and like it. And if you do, let me know in the comment section. I've cut some of the extra fat, and now I'm separating the skin and the flesh, and you will get a pocket, and in that pocket I'm stuffing all of this masala. So I'm going to stuff the belly, I'm going to stuff this pocket all around the chicken between the skin, and then I'm also going to put some of the masala on the outside because you want the skin to also get some of the flavorings and the beautiful color that comes from the turmeric. And finally, after I do this, I'm going to tie the two legs together and put it in the oven covered with aluminium foil for about 30 to 35 minutes depending on the size of your bird, but mine would take about 35 minutes to cook. So when you cook it covered, it's going to cook from within, and then you remove the foil and let it cook for 20 minutes open so that it gets a lovely brown skin. The temperature of the oven should be 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I also made another chicken. I cut it into pieces and I made a curry, just showing you quickly on the side. So 2 of my chickens were ready at the same time within about 1.5 to 2 hours, and I chopped the roasted chicken, and you can serve that as a Thanksgiving meal with the fixings that I've shared the recipes for. So please take a look at those too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and if you try any of these recipes, will leave me a comment in the comment section, as well as let me see the pictures on my social media handles, the information to which is right under this video in the description section. And wish you a very happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching. Bye.